Good morning, people. Welcome to episode 2 of this crazy Indonesia trip. We're here in front of the hotel. I just loaded all my stuff in the car. We're gonna go at the race office, see our bikes for the first time, work on them a little bit. So far it's only Graham and me here. Another Australian friend, Starkey, is also here. We had a nice dinner yesterday, had a few melon juices afterwards, and yeah man, it's super nice. The weather is really warm. It's quite grey in the sky, as you can see, but this is kind of normal for Asian countries when it's so warm and humid. And yeah, like the whole hotel facility is amazing. I have a sick room with pool view, like right next to the pool. I'll show you all of that later. Now we're gonna go check out the bikes. So arrived to the office's place, just picked up my bike, brand new 250 Husky, only 250, but we'll make it work. And yeah man, let's start building it.
Fire in the hole. Oh, not so bad.
Yeah, not so bad. I was lucky. So, just about to get finished working on the bike. I fitted suspension, and Starkey's not used to me videoing. Fitted suspension, foot pegs, and about to change the moves. I changed the bars, and here's the boss. What's up?
Good, man.
All good? Good. That's good. Yeah, about to change, to put moves in the front tire. Rear moves and rear tire will arrive soon. I'll show you the bike now. I still need to do graphics in a few days. So you can see the forks on there, the sick gold titanium foot pegs from 24 Megs, all fitted on there. The sick shock in there. Yeah man, we're ready. So here we have, like, the work security is very good here with the Yes, take it on the leg. Take it like a man. Yes! So did you modify your screw how you wanted it?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Sick.
Millimeter.
That's sick. And here I've got my Aussie mechanics working for me. How are you doing, guys? How's it working for Gallas Industries?
Not bad. Got my safety shoes on.
Oh, you even got air conditioning. Look.
Yeah, aircon.
Look, the aircon's on. Yeah, so here we have the good moose lube, air filter oil, which will still work. Yes.
Moose lube.
Perfect. Don't try this at home.
That's rated for rubber.
Not recommended by the factory.
Yeah. So this is our current setup. Trying to press the tire down with this big whatever that is. Yeah, that's it.
And you probably have to let that one that you just put in out. I would say, yeah, either that or...
Yes! And Bob's your uncle, no?
Yeah, that's not Bob's uncle. I think you're not going to be happy. And why did you put a rim lock in? That
Oh, this German wanted a rim lock.
Fucking German wanted a ring lock.
Graham Gallas doesn't run a rim lock, and this German, no, you need a rim lock. You must have a...
If it spins,
How's
who's
it going to
responsible for
spin?
that?
if it spins...
How's it going to spin? Be lucky if that leaves the ground.
So guys, we're now in the car. Yeah, we're now in the car with the boss himself. Yeah, going to go riding. Loaded up the bikes, everything's finished. Yeah, got really hot. We have now noon. Had some lunch, some classic rice, and yeah, let's go riding. As you might see, it rains like hell. Like, I don't know if you can see that in the background. Yeah, you can. Like crazy. Yeah, just rocked up to the prologue place. Looks nice. The few things I see from here, but yeah, I just drove this Jeep. Right. It's on the camera. The big one in the back, and yeah. We'll wait until it stops raining and head out for a cruise. Nice one. Look at this, guys. I'm in the fucking jungle. Wow. Speechless. And it's so nice to ride now, after the rain. Ah, love it. What a legend in the t-shirt. He's just rocking up that hill. Yeah, mate! Let's go!
Fuck. This tire's fucked.
Yeah.
Jarvis can't get up that other hill.
You can't? Is that the track?
So this will be the national loop,
Yeah.
and then when it looks like stuff, when you go to that'll be the international.
So we will have to ride that.
Yes, on the day you will get. So the national riders will all fly through here. We'll come the same way, and when we get to stuff like this, we turn left and go up the creek and then join back on.
Is that that's not the creek you came down the other way with it?
No, that's the new one. They only just finished it.
Yeah.
That looks hard.
Yeah, that's the easy one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
Graham said you'd get up the other one.
So guys, end of the first day of riding. Had a little bit of bike problems. Today was really hot and humid because it was raining. So the bike ran a little lean somehow, and yeah, just had some struggles. I'll get a new spark plug for tomorrow, and we'll get a new map for the ECU. Yeah, since I'm riding a 250, I have to use a different ECU. Or different map than usual. Yeah, but anyway, like, the terrain is sick, the people are nice, and like everybody wants to take photos, and really nice atmosphere and cool people. And yeah, today it was only Graham and me and the Aussies. Tomorrow we will have a few more riders, I guess, and yeah, day one done, a few more to go.